Oh, you're so precious. You're so precious.
No, she brings everything back to you.
Hey, baby.
Go for her.
Look. Oh my gosh. Hello. Sit. 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 Good girl. Speak. No, we don't know that trick yet. Nanny, if you take like a Cheerio or something and spin it around, even your hand, she'll start spinning in circles.
And she's got tickler spots too.
Oh, sit.
One, she did not have that.
She didn't have one. She's got, you do this like underneath the top front of her both arms, and her
Kiki.
2 back legs go.
Kiki, Kiki,
Come up here.
sit.
Roll over. Let's rock your belly. Let's rock your belly.
Oh, your
Let's
belly
get some
rubs.
ticklish, shall we?
How's
Oh.
she?
Oh, you love her.
What's Shauna?
Yeah, she likes it. She had her like in her shirt for 45 minutes last night while I got things done. It's like having a baby. You gotta either wait until they're asleep or until somebody can watch them.
Hello.
This is what I did
Sit.
today. It's like, oh my God.
No.
She learned how
Sit.
to get up on the step today.
It's a
Hi.
little bit bigger. You gotta get her a little.
Oh my
pad
goodness.
So it dings, so you know. Where she is.
Yeah, like we did one. Remember with Munchkin? I can't remember if Munchkin was that little when we brought her home. I think she was
Mom,
bigger.
she was very small.
Oh, she was only 8 weeks old too when we brought her home. Munchkin.
Oh
She's
my
another
goodness.
whole month.
You are the cutest little thing.
Now she should only get double her size what she is now.
That's about right.
I want her to stay puppy sized.
Puppy cut for life.
Yeah. Oh.
We're gonna give her a bath. She still smells like a peppermint. I don't like it.
No, that was peppermint. She's got lemongrass on her now.
You give her a bath?
No, not yet. Now you can't give her a bath yet.
Why?
Sit. Kiki. Kiki. Sit.
I don't know. I will. I'm so afraid to get
Kiki.
stuff in her ears and all.
How's her ear been?
Puppy.
Oh, good. Good, Chaz.
Puppy. Sit. Speak. You need to teach. You need to teach her. You need to teach her the speak trick. When you say speak, and she'll go. We're perfect timing.
Oh, little queen. Did you see the picture of the bow in her hair?
Kiki.
Mom, I'm not allowed on Facebook.
Kiki.
Oh, I'll just show it to you.
I'm good.
Kiki.
Just picture-
Name her Kiki. That's the cutest name. Okay, I like Kiki more than Coco. I vote Kiki. Oh, that is the precious. She's like, Mom, what are you doing?
You know what she smells like? I'll tell you what she smells like. She smells like a hamster. She smells like a hamster and pine shavings or something.
That's too big.
Yeah, that's what that's from.
That one's perfect.
Oh.
I think she has another itch, Nanny. She has a new itch spot. You are the cutest little thing.
Oh, you'll have her all to yourself all night.
Guess who's watching movies with me? You are. If I put the pillow on the couch, would she sit with me?
What's she eating?
She's not.
No,
She's.
she's sucking her foot.
Oh. Are you getting like your Auntie Tortor? Well, Sissy Tortor? Are you being like your sister?
Biting her foot.
Oh, I thought you were sucking on her foot. Okay.
I don't want to go to work.
She looked at you when you went, Kiki! My precious little baby. I'm keeping this recording all my life and I'll change my home screen. I think I will change my lock screen to you. Yes, baby.